Number 1. Thank you for calling Metropolitan Gas and Electronics Company. At this time, we're busy helping other customers. If you have questions about the bill that you have received, you can call our 24-hour account center at I-555-0174. Be sure to have your account number available. If there is a problem with your gas or electric service, please press 7 now. You will be connected to a customer service session. Number 2. Good evening and thank you for attending this special performance. We are currently experiencing problems with our sound equipment, but we expect to begin the concert within the next half hour. In the meantime, please stop by the merchandise table in the main lobby. You can purchase CDs, printer surface as well as other items. And if you are thirsty, we are offering complimentary bottles of water to our audience members. Visit the food stands located near the exits to receive your now. Thank you for your patience. The sound will begin as soon as possible. Number 3. Attention manufacturing staff. As you know, we are expanding our popular line of glass display cases. Our newest model will be larger in the size than any of our existing cases. But before we start making it, we will have to modify our equipment to handle the large bands of glass. While the technicians are doing this on Monday morning, you will be happy to take inventory in the warehouse. This will allow us to get ahead of stuff on our annual inventory count. Number 4. Hello, this is Natasha Klein. I had dinner at your restaurant last night, and I think I left my mobile phone there. I was sitting in the booth at the back of the dining room, and my purse was on the seat. The telephone must have fallen out when I took out my credit card to buy for dinner. Could you please call and let me know if the phone's being found? If so, I will stop by this afternoon to pick it up. You can reach me at my work number 555-0196. Thank you. Number 5. Attention shoppers, come to the bookstore cafe in 15 minutes to make office productivity expert Robert Pellman. Mr. Pellman will sell tips from his new book, Organize and Be Productive. He will present strategies for uncluttering your desk, creating a filing system, and making your workflow more efficient. Afterwards, he will style copies of his book, which are available for purchase by the cash register. Number 6. Now, an important reminder for Radio W and P listener. We'll stop tomorrow to repair the City Expressway in the Smithton area. The expressway will be closed to traffic between the Line Street and Park Avenue access, and so commuters who usually travel that way must take alternate routes to work. Because work will continue over the weekend, the closing will also affect the driving to the outdoor also in the park this weekend. The pair work should be completed in 2 weeks. You can check the progress of the project on the Transportation Department website at www.cityworks.gov. And now, this week's weather outlook. Number 7. Good morning and welcome to the first day of our personal finance workshop. I'm honored to introduce Eugene Sommer. Eugene is financial planner at Metro Center Bank and had 18 years of experience in helping people like you with their money to work. Today, he will talk about investment product to help you plan for your future. But before he begins, there's been the slight change to our schedule. Then we'll be serving the parking pudding at the 12:30 rather than at 1 o'clock. And now, please join me in welcoming Eugene Summers. Number 9. I know it's unusual to have such a large group of job applications mixed at the same time. But since we are hiring several new people who will likely be working on the same team, we are decided to use a different process to select our future advertising staff. Before we interview you, we will be splitting you into groups to develop an advertising campaign for a product we assign to you. We know that you won't have a lot of time. We really just want to see what you can produce and how you work with the others. Your group and product assignments showing the folders that are distributed now. Number 9. I know it's unusual to have such a large job application met at the same time. But since we are hiring several new people who will likely be working on the same team, we have decided to use a different process to select our future advertising staff. We interview you. We will be splitting you into groups to develop an advertising campaign for products we assign to you. We know that you won't have a lot of time. We really just want to see what you can produce and how you work with other. Your group and product assignments showing the folders that are distributed now. Number 10. Thank you for coming this afternoon press conference. We are happy to announce that Media Pro Habitat has completed the first phase of $50 million expansion project. We are triple the number of raw patient rooms, which means that we are now equipped to provide medical care to significantly more people. But our work is only half completed. Construction is already underway on the state-of-the-art medical training facility. The second phase of our expansion project. When that facility opens next year, we will be able to offer cutting-edge training program for all types of medical professionals